In this video, I will show you how to create Google Drive shortcut. So firstly, open Google Drive and log in with your Gmail and password. To open Google Drive, click on these dots and here click on Drive. Now, once you successfully log in, click on these dots and save and share. And here the setting, create shortcut. Click on it. Give a name and create. Now click on start and search Drive. So you have this Google Drive shortcut. Right click on it. You can pin to start. Also you can pin to taskbar. So once you need, just click on it. So this is the method you can create a shortcut for Google Drive. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.